A new dessert place just opened in San Juan and it's a kakigori or Japanese shaved ice house. Hey friends, Shari Shari is a kakigori house from Hong Kong and I remember nag-open na sila before sa Taguig but closed before we could try it. So we're glad they opened again dito naman sa The Corner House San Juan. Kakigori is a Japanese shaved ice dessert and we ordered the mango lassi and matcha cream special with chocolate. As you can see, it's mostly ice kaya baka maiisip mo, ang mahal naman. I think what you're really paying for here is yung quality ng ice na super fine and light. And kahit mukhang marami, it's not really. Mukha lang kasi nga super light nung ice. Like yung mango lassi nag-deflate din after a few minutes. Tapos yung mga toppings na gamit nila seems quality din talaga. Yung mango sauce sa lassi didn't taste artificial. We love the graham pero sana mas marami, pati yung fresh mango. The matcha chocolate naman was a good combo. Lasa mo yung matcha and the chocolate din without being sweet. Again, love the cookie crumbs here pero sana mas generous. Mukha pa lang konti yung sauce pero tama lang yung ratio with the ice, at least for us. Para